Beneath the surface of our world's oceans lies a silent network that keeps nations, economies, and digital life connected. The submarine communication system consists of two major domains. First, submarine fiber optic cables carrying more than 95% of international internet traffic. Second, underwater communication technologies used by military submarines and autonomous underwater vehicles. Modern submarine cables are engineered with optical fibers at the core, wrapped in copper power conductors, steel armor, and watertight insulation. These cables span the seabed for thousands of kilometers, forming the backbone of global cloud services, banking, communications, and navigation systems. In the Philippines, submarine cables play a crucial role in connecting our archipelago to global networks. Multiple landing stations across the country enable high-speed internet and international data exchange, including key hubs in Batangas and other coastal regions. Recent developments such as Globe Telecom's new submarine cable segment linking Luzon to Mindanao strengthens domestic connectivity and disaster resilience. Companies like NTT Marine are expanding involvement in a Philippine infrastructure, supporting installation, maintenance, and ocean sensor systems for monitoring conditions beneath our waters. Submarine cables are regulated and protected by the National Telecommunications Commission, the Philippine Coast Guard, and the Department of Transportation for Maritime Infrastructure Coordination. Meanwhile, Globe, Eastern Communications, and Infinivan are deploying a new submarine fiber network to further improve connectivity nationwide. The Philippines is also advancing toward submarine acquisition for maritime defense, and together with Italy, is addressing cable disruptions in the West Philippine Sea to safeguard critical infrastructure. Submarine cables are also regulated internationally. In the United States, deployments require authorization from the Federal Communications Commission, and NOAA oversees marine environmental protection. In Europe, the European Subsea Cables Association coordinates measures to prevent seafloor damage. According to the UNEP-WCMC, cable installation can disturb the seabed temporarily, but long-term impact is generally low. Next-generation smart cables integrate sensors to detect earthquakes, tsunamis, and ocean temperature changes. Military submarines must communicate while submerged, where seawater blocks most radio signals. They rely on VLF and ELF radio, acoustic sonar communication, buoy antennas, and systems like Deep Siren for encrypted messaging without surfacing. Researchers at the MIT Media Lab are exploring TARF, or Translational Acoustic RF Communication. This technology allows submarines to send signals by creating tiny ripples on the sea surface, ripples that radar aircraft can detect, allowing communication without surfacing. The future of submarine communication includes hybrid subsea networks, combining fiber, satellite, and acoustic systems. It will rely on artificial intelligence for cable protection and autonomous underwater vehicles to inspect and repair cables at extreme depths. Beneath the ocean, the submarine communication system is becoming the core of global computing. As the world moves into cloud intelligence, AI-driven automation, and the real-time data across continents, everything will depend on faster, secure, and resilient subsea networks. The future of computing will not be built in the sky, but carried through oceans, on the silent threads of fiber optic light.